Okay, so here is our pantry before. Excuse the mess, but as you can see, there's a ton of storage space, and when there's a ton of space, you end up filling it even though you don't really need it. Like, there's plenty of space right there and up there, and it's just, and down there, it's just not being used very well. So we're gonna take this part out, add a sink, dishwasher, and keep just this side so we have like a butler pantry. Okay, so this is gonna be a big project. We are gonna take everything out on this section so that we can demo this and put in the sink and the dishwasher and consolidate everything so that we have only one side of pantry space that we need. Okay, here is the next day after organizing and demoing. So you can see everything that was on the left side has now been moved to the right side. Right over here, I'm sure we can downsize even more, but for now, here it is. And we actually got a new microwave that is a lot smaller that fits in between the shelves. Before, we just had one that was on this section. We're going to add shelving right over here, dishwasher, sink, and then put a beadboard over this whole section. And then we're gonna add cabinets right here and put all of our appliances like our crock pot, rice cooker, coffee maker, all of the things. So excited for our butler pantry.
We want to push this, and you can't pull the trigger until this is pushed in. So we're going to go here and push against the wall. Now pull the trigger. Ready? Go. Right there. Push.
Okay, are you guys ready for what has all been done? Ta-da! Here is our butler pantry. Oh my goodness, I just love it so much. We use it multiple times a day. So let's quickly go over what we did. So on the right side is our pantry section. As you can see, we painted it with this Oyster Bay blue, green, gray color, and I'm obsessed with it. I will probably need to organize some of the things in baskets and things like that, but we love it so far. And then the right side is super functional. We've added a really wide and deep sink so we could put all of our dishes here instead of our kitchen, which sits in the middle of our living space. And then we also have a dishwasher. Having a second dishwasher is so extra, but it's been a game changer. And then we have all of our appliances here, as well as down here, there's our crock pot, our rice cooker and things like that. And then our wood block countertops. And then this section, I really wanted to feel a little bit English cottagey, so I found some plates at an antique shop. All of these decoration items are found and thrifted, as well as this artwork right over here. And then on this side, we have a cute little hanger for our aprons, and then a trash can, and then this cute cafe curtain gives us some privacy and adds a little touch of warmth and coziness, and we just love it so much.